Hey guys, we're gonna do a sidewall repair after I'm done mowing lawn today. This is good enough, you know, flat. It's good enough for today. Where is it? There we go. Good enough for today, but it didn't quite do it. That was just one of those little, that's sorry, one of those little plug things. So I got some other plugs. Let me show you. Okay, so on the inside now, I went ahead and aired up the tire because I needed air on it, but these are the plugs I got, and they go through the sidewall. But let me just finish this because I need to mow the lawn. So I aired up the tire. It'll hold for, I don't know, at least a day, but it ain't right. So these are sidewall plugs. I didn't know about such a thing, but we'll go over the next part here. Let me just finish mowing the lawn because rain's coming and I'm on a deadline. So I only got 3 of them. So I got Amazon. I'll put a link and everything below, but let me do this first. I'll be right back. That's where I did the repair, and yeah, it's just been hold sidewall repair. So we're gonna have to do the other ones. It's coming outside there. I could probably try to replug that again, but I kind of feel like what I'm doing is a lazy way, and I'm okay with that. I'm iffy things. I don't know if it'll hold it. So let's find out. I'll be right back. So I got the bolts in, but this piece isn't big enough, so or the hole's not big enough. So I'm gonna have to open the tire up a bit, which is kind of counterintuitive, but I gotta open the tire up to put this in. So let me cut that and then slide that piece of plastic in and make sure I don't lose a little guide wire here so it lines up. I'll be back. So I tried to file it, couldn't, so we had to actually cut it. I guess you can have up to an inch or a half inch or whatever. I know that blade's under that, so it's fine. It's real hard to get in there. So this here keeps it aligned on the inside. You can't see, but that keeps the pieces aligned. So it isn't going, this way and that way. And then we'll just tighten this down and see how it goes. I'll be back. I'll tighten it down, then we'll test it. Obvious son of a gun. It works. There's a bubble at the bottom when I spray it. Just for a moment. No, I didn't do it that time. But pressurized to 20 psi. I'm just surprised. I'm really neat. Let's see if it holds up. I'll put a comment below in about a week whether it worked or not. So I guess we just break this off here. I guess we leave this. I don't know. But I guess I break the stem off with a wrench. Let me go get a pair of pliers. I'll be right back. Alright. So I have no idea if it's going to break off inside the tire and fall apart, but this is what they said to do. So, and by them, it was a YouTube video. Yeah, let me get a better grip on this. Oh, I might have ruptured it there. So I need more tightness. Let me tighten some more. That seems okay now, in focus, but doesn't seem to leak anymore. So let me just cut that off instead of break it. Cut that off with the proper tool, and everything looks good. So yeah. All right, so like I said, I'll let you know next week or the week after whether this thing held up or not. I don't know, but it's tires pressurized, holding pressure, everything seems good. The tire plug, I'll put a link down below where you can buy these. I bought these off Amazon's, I think, or Amazon, whatever. All right, I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go park this and maybe have to go buy a new battery. I think the battery's bad from the weather. But I don't know. It's not holding charge. All right, I'll see you guys. NCP out.